Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning, where our goal is to take the mystery out of the drawing process by breaking it into easy to follow steps. Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Today we're going to draw Cubone, the lonely little dinosaur-like Pokemon who wears his dear departed mom's skull on his head. Wow, there's a sentence I never thought I would say. Anyway, all you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Easy peasy, right? So let's get started. We're going to draw Cubone step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, then you know I use the character's head to figure out how tall the whole character is. In this pose, Cubone is roughly 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 2 of those, not counting his pointy horns. Alright, so let's get started with a roadmap for Cubone. So there's our roadmap of Cubone. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the 3rd and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Cubone's eyes, his nostril, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Cubone's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Cubone. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Cubone. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't hammer that line mindlessly retracing over the lines you've already drawn. Always look to tweak and improve until the very end. So let's draw in Cubone's details. All right, there you have it, Cubone. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Cubone before, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You'll notice I didn't spend time coloring Cubone during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Cubone. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it will be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Cubone. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you found this helpful. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.